Namaste bachon. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see a poem, कविता. और कविता की नाम है कौन. कौन मतलब who. Here the poet asks the children, what is that mischievous creature that keeps on harming us so much? Okay, the poet himself does not tell the name of the creature, but he asks the children its name. Okay, he is asking you, what is that? Kaun, who is that? Let's start the poem. किसने बटन हमारे कुतरे, किसने स्याही को बिखराया, कौन चटकर गया दुबक कर, घर भर में अनाज बिखराया. किसने बटन हमारे कुतरे. The poet asked the children, you, that is, who is that mischievous creature who munches the button? Who munches the button? Munched the button. किसने स्याही को बिखराया? Who spilled the ink? कौन चटक कर गया दुबक कर घर भर में अनाज बिखराया? And he jumped here and there and scattered the grains all over the house. Okay, spilled the grains all over the house. Who is that? कौन है? दोना खाली रखा रह गया, कौन ले गया उठा मिठाई. दो टुकड़े तस्वीर हो गई, किसने रस्सी काट बहाई. दोना खाली रखा रह गया. Dona is container in which sweets are kept. Who is such a creature that takes away the sweets which kept in the container? So the container is empty now, the sweets were not there. दो टुकड़े तस्वीर हो गई, किसने रस्सी काट बगाई. Someone cuts the rope tied in the picture, so that what happened? The picture fall down and breaks into two pieces. Someone cuts the rope tied in the picture. कभी कुतर जाता है चप्पल, कभी कुतर जूता है जाता, कभी कलीता पर बन आती, अनजाने पैसा गिर जाता. A mischievous creature, something is there in this house. He is not even saying the name now. He is mentioning that mischievous creature. Someone is there in the house. कभी कुतर जाता है चप्पल. Sometimes what is happening? The slippers, shoes are getting nibbles. Someone is biting them. Chappals and shoes. कभी कुतर जाता है चप्पल, कभी कुतर जूता है जाता. Someone is biting them. कभी कलीता पर बन आती, अनजाने पैसा गिर जाता. Sometimes because of the hole which made in the bag, sometimes what it is happening, due to that hole, the money falls from it. Okay, in the packet it is making some hole, that is why what is happening, the paisa नीचे गिर जाता है, money falls down. किसने जिल्द काट डाली है, बिखर गए पोती के पन्ने, रोज ठांगता दो धोकर मैं, कौन उठा ले जाता चन्ने. किसने जिल्द काट डाली है, जिल्द means knot. Who has cut the knots and broke the book? The mischievous creature who broke the pages of the books by cutting the knots. रोज टांगता धो धोकर मैं, कौन उठा ले जाता छन्ने. Who picks the sieve which I wash and hang every day? Someone is taking the sieve which I am washing and making to hang. Someone is taking them every day. Who is that? कुतर कुतर कर कागज सारे, रद्दी से घर को भर जाता. कौन कबाड़ी है जो कूड़ा दुनिया भर का घर भर जाता? The poet says that the mischievous creature keeps munching the papers and which is making the house filled with garbage. Okay, the house is filled with garbage because the mischievous creature is keep on munching the papers. कौन कबाड़ी है जो कूड़ा दुनिया भर का घर भर जाता? A junk is filled in the house. It is like a दुनिया भर का कूड़ा. The garbage from all over the world. Okay, it's spread in this house. That much the house became dirt. कौन रात भर गड़बड़ करता हमें नहीं देता है सोने? खुर खुर करता इधर उधर है ढूंढा करता छिप छिप कौन? कौन रात पर गड़बड़ करता? And the poets ask the children now, who keeps messing something up throughout the night? Okay, हमें नहीं देता है सोने and it's not even allowing us to sleep. खुर खुर करता इधर उधर है and it's making some noise here and there. ढूंढा करता छिप छिप कर and he is hiding in some the corners and something he is searching. Who is that mischievous creature? Who is that throughout the night it's messing up and does not allowing us to sleep and also making always some noise here and there and it's hiding in the corners and always looks for the food. रोज रात भर जागता रहता खुर खुर इधर उधर है धाता बच्चों उसका नाम बताओ कौन शरारत ये कर जाता? रोज रात भर जागता रहता. And the poet says that the mischievous creature keeps awake throughout the night every day. रोज रात भर जागता रहता. Every day it's always awake. रात भर all over the night. खुर खुर इधर उधर है धाता. And he runs here and then thereby whispering also. बच्चों उसका नाम बताओ कौन शरारत ये कर जाता? And the poet asks you the name of that mischievous creature. Okay. And now in this is the last stanza. Here he is asking, the poet is asking you, the children, that who is that mischievous creature keeps awake throughout the night every day? He runs here and there by whispering. Who is that? Please tell me, children. He is asking you. So, children, we have completed the poem. What we have seen in the poem? The poet asks the children, what is that mischievous creature that keeps on harming them? The poet asks, who nibbled on our buttons? Who spilled the ink? Who spread grains throughout the house? And also he is asking who took away the sweets. Okay. And also he is asking who broke the picture. And who is this mischievous creature? What are you thinking? And also something else happening here, right? It's what it is doing? It's biting them. It is biting the slippers, shoes, everything. And cuts off the bounds of book. And it is spreading all over the house. What it is? Garbage. Okay, the papers. It is munching the papers and throwing throughout the house. Okay, and also it is not at all allowing us to sleep. It is keep awake for the whole night and also not allowing us to sleep. Okay, even after making some noises, it is not getting quiet. The poet himself does not tell the name of that creature, correct? What is that? Did you find what is that? Yes, it can be a rat. Correct, children? Did you understood the poem? Did you find it very interesting? Yes, right? Okay, children. Thank you. Dhanyabad.